As many of you know, Theo and we recently took a hat making class. I'm not really going to get into much specifics, but here we are making the hats. There were definitely a lot more steps than I thought there would be. I kind of wish I would have read up a bit more about hat making before I went, but I'm a little bit of an overachiever, and this is almost done. We're getting the brim nice and flat. We had to let the hats rest for a little bit overnight so they would set better, and Theo's putting on some alcohol. He's gonna light it on fire, and of course on the video it doesn't really show up, so it is on fire, but it's just to get rid of some of the loose hairs. There wasn't much time, and Theo kept forgetting to get video of me, but these photos were taken by Cynthia, so I'm giving her credit here. We bolted the double-crossed hat bands in leather, and somehow we ended up matching with blue shirts, and I think Theo did a really good job on his crown. Mine was a nice simple one, and there's Cindy, and here's her Instagram, so you can go give her a follow there. What do you guys think? I'm really glad we took this hat making class. We have also gotten 3 other hats by her.